7.86 tons of earth had to be moved to a construction site. The truck to be used can only move 500 kilograms of earth at a time. How many times would the truck would have to load the earth? Good. So we're talking about a truck here. So let's try to draw a truck. Yeah. Okay, we have the back of the truck there. Hey, this truck here. Okay. We're going to try to draw a truck here. Okay, got the wheels there. There's windshield there. It's got the doors there. And then, okay, it's got a wheel there. Beautiful, beautiful. Okay, this is my truck. Good. Okay, this truck can only take 500. Okay, let's go. 500 kg. Beautiful. It can only take 500 kg of earth. Imagine this is earth here. So it can only take 500. After 500, it can't take more than 500. So the question is, how many times will the truck will have to load the earth? So the earth is so huge. The earth is so huge. The earth is so huge. It's about 7.86 tons. Ooh, that is huge. Now, you need to understand what 1 ton is. If you don't know what a ton is, then you don't really understand the question. And then 500 kg of earth 500 kg. What is 1 kg? How does 1 kg look like? Once you begin to have a picture of that in your head, then you now begin to understand the question. But if you don't, then this could be very difficult. So to attempt this question, we will look into what 1 ton is, and then also look into 500 kg, how it looks like, and then we now begin to deal with the question. So let's go to those few examples. So we'll wrap this off. Okay. Good. Beautiful. Okay, I'll see you later, truck. Okay, now we have this. Now, this is a 1 ton. Now, this is what a 1 ton is. So, if you want to build a house or you want to do some construction and you need some sand to build the house, then you're going for something like this. And that is what you see around when you're going around the town and you see builders, making some construction. This is how it will look like. So, that's 1 ton is quite heavy. Now, let's have another look at this. Now, this is a truck is used in taking a stand from one point to the other. This is what builders use, and this can only take a ton. Is made to take only a ton of earth, and that is it. So let's see in action, so we can see it here. You can see it's picked up a ton of earth, and it's coming here, and we can see him, offloading it, throwing it in there. So that is a ton in action. That is how a ton looks like. Good. Now let's go a bit further. We have a full understanding of what a ton is. In this question, we're dealing with what? We're dealing with 7.86. That means we're talking about 7 times of this. So this, it's times 7 of it. Times 7 of it. And then what else? We now have a 0.86. Ooh, a 0.86. That means we have to deal with that separately. So we have a 0.86. So we've got two things there. So we have 7 tons, and then we have a 0.86 to it. So we're going to deal with that later. So let's go into what a kg is. Good. Okay, let's rub this off and go to what a kg is. Good. Now we have this. Ooh, 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 ooh. So here we could see this little girl standing beside a bag. Oh my, this bag is quite big. It's nearly as tall as the girl there. So that is a 50 kg. So this is a 50 kg. 50 kg. Okay, of rice there. And now this is 1 ton. Now, if you take this earth here, 1 ton, you cut it into two, half. So at the top here, you have 500 kg. And at the bottom here, you have 500 kg. And if you add both of them together, you have 1 ton. So both of them will give you 1 ton. Now, for this 500 kg, so that means this bag of rice here, if you take this bag of rice here, you bring it here, this bag of rice, which is that, let's just try to draw it. Okay, this bag of rice here, which is 50 kg. Okay, kg, beautiful. You multiply it by 10. Oh my. If you multiply by 10, it's going to give you 500. Oh, that's for the one at the top there. And the one at the bottom, you take the same bag of rice, which is 50 kg. You multiply it by 10, that will give you 500 kg. So that's how it looks like. So 500 kg is half of a ton. Good. Let's go to our question proper. Now let's just rub this off here. We know what 50 kg looks like. So 50 kg of rice multiplied by 10 will give you 500 kg. And 500 kg is half of a ton. Ooh, beautiful. Hey, so let's just rub this off. We have that. And let's take this little girl here, lady here. We're gonna squash this. Okay, we're gonna take her, uh-huh, a bit more. We're just gonna leave it there. Beautiful. So now we're gonna deal with our question. Our truck is back. Now let's look at the question. We have 7.86 tons of earth has to be moved to a construction site. So we have this, yeah, we have this ton here, this earth here, which is 7.86 tons of earth. It's got to be moved to the construction site. The truck to be used can only move 500 kg of earth. Wait a minute. How many 500 kg of earth do you have in that 7.86? Good. Now, if we take that, we divide into two, we have 7 tons. Good. And then we've got 0.86 tons. Now, why can't we do this? Why can't we just take everything here and convert it to kilograms? Oh, that would be awesome. So we have 7.86 tons to kilograms. Ah, how do you convert tons to kilograms? Multiply by 1,000. Beautiful. Let's do that. So we can have what? We have this here, 7.86 tons multiplied by 1,000. Good. That will give us what? We're going to move the decimal point 3 places to the right. That gives us 7,860 kg. That is 7,860 kg. Good. So we're done with that. Now we've converted everything to kilograms. Now remember, the truck can only take 500 kilograms. So how many 500 kilograms do you get in 7,860 kilograms? Now that's the question. Once you're able to get that, you're going to know how many times that this truck has got to come. So remember, the truck is going to take everything. That's the whole of 7.86 tons. Now we've changed 7.86 tons to kilograms. So how many 500 do you get in here? Okay, let's go through a shorter method. Let's say 7,860 divide by 500. Let's see what that's going to give us. So let's go. We have 7,860 divided by 500. That's kg. We can cancel this. This cancel that. We are left with what? We are left with 786 over 50. Okay. Good. So here we can use long division from here. Okay, let's carry on. We use long division from here. Okay, we come here, long division. Okay, we've got 7, 8, 6 divided by 50. How many 50 and 70? That would be 1. 1 times 50, that would be 50. If we subtract this, we get what? We get an 8. We get a 228. Bring the 6 down to make it bigger. How many 50 do we get in 286? We got 250s in 100. And here we've got 286. Then that means we're going to have 4 50s. That will give us 200. Then we have another 50 to go. That's going to be 5 50s. Okay, good. We take 5, 5 times 0, 0, 5 times 5, 25. And if you subtract this, we have a what? We got a 6 here, 8 minus 5, we have a 3 there. So we have to proceed. We can't leave it this way. We need to put the decimal point here, make this one bigger by adding 0. How many 50 do we get in 360? We have 2 gives us 100, 2 gives us another 100, 2 gives us another 100. That's 300. That's 6 of it. And then one more, that will be 7. So you have a 7 there. Let's go. 7 times 0, 0. 7 times 5, that's a 35. Okay, good. We subtract this. We have a 10 left. Beautiful. We add one more 0. How many 50s do you get in 100? That will be 2. Good. So 2 times 50, that's 100. Aha. So you subtract that, we're done. So if we divide 7860 by 500, that should give us 15.72. So we have 15.72. Okay, good. Now let's remove the long division there. We're done with it. We've divided that, so we don't need this anymore. Good. Aha. Here we go 15.72. So that means the truck would need to come 15.72 times, but the 0.72 it cannot be because the truck can't come halfway even if it is 0.5. So with that decimal point, that shows us that the truck will have to come one more time. That's why we've got a decimal there. That's 0.72. And if it's going to come one more time, then it cannot be 15. It's got to be 16 times. It goes 15 times, but everything is not taken. It has to have some more left. So that means the dog will have to come and take the remaining bit that is left. And if it comes for the remaining bit, then that will be 16 times. So our answer is going to be 16. Good. So we're going to go for our ENS now. We've got this 1 ton blocking our view. So let's see if we can pick him. I'm going to pick him there, squash him a bit, and then bring him up there. Okay. Okay. Let's just stay beside this, beside the earth there. Good. And then let's go for our tongue. ANS. Good. ANS. So ANS here. ANS here will be what? Will be 16 times. 16 times. Okay. Beautiful.